Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all controls and gestures for your headphones EARFUN Free Pro 2. You can increase the volume by pressing one time on your right earbud. So press on it, and again. And as you can see, I increase the volume. To lower the volume, press one time on your left earbud. One, and I lower the volume, and I again lower the volume. To play next track, press 3 times on your right earbud. 1, 2, 3. And here we go. Now, if you press and hold on your right earbud, you will call a voice assistant. I have iOS, so I call a Siri, but if you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. So, 1, 2, release the finger. Okay, maybe again. Oh, yeah, it worked. So, Siri is awake. Now, if you press and hold on your right earbud, you will enable noise cancelling. So press and hold. And it said that noise cancelling. Now, if you press and hold again, you will enable ambient sound. And it said ambient sound. If you press 3 times on your left earbud, you will enable or disable game mode. 1, 2, 3. Now it said game mode, so it means that it's enabled, and if you press again, 1, 2, 3, it said game mode off. Now, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing 2 times on your left or right earbud. Now I will show it to you. So, 1, 2, cool. And you can finish the call by pressing 2 times on your left or right earbud. 1, 2. And I finish the call. Also, you can reject the call by pressing hold your left or right earbud for 2 seconds. 1, 2. And as you can see, I reject the call. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!